Four new methods of earning money online just by watching movies were revealed to me a few days ago as I watched a new movie. You're making $300 a day while watching movies online, which is really simple. The advantage is that you can pick the movies you want to see and get paid for them. You can also watch your favorite movies, so stay tuned because I'll be showing you 4 websites in this video. Our list starts with the website filmtagger.com. You can either type filmtaggers.com into the new tab of your browser to get prompted, or you can search for it on Google and click the first link in the search results. You can see how earning money by watching movies could seem like a crazy idea, but it's more doable than you might imagine. Screenwriters, directors, producers, movie fans, and students can use the movie recommendation tool FilmTagger to find movies to watch. If you keep watching this video, I'll reveal a trick that thousands of moviegoers aren't even aware of, and that has the potential to earn you a sizable sum of money. Now, the movies you enjoy watching can be found on this website. These films will have tags indicating their genre, theme, setting, and so on. You can find a list of well-liked movies by clicking on these buttons. This one will show popular movie themes, and this one will make it easy for you to find movies. FilmTagger is the greatest way to find your movies. Whether you're a dedicated movie fan looking to watch only the best ones, or a film student attempting to prioritize which movies to see for your film studies. Enter this movie's name into the search bar over here. You can find the movie title right here on the website's matching results page. The genre matches for this movie are emphasized in this image of the movie poster, which is on the right. Now keep waiting for my unique tips to increase your earnings because they are about to become very important. Now the keyword categories that this movie falls under can be seen if you click here to view the movie description and where it says show/hide keywords. For instance, if someone is looking for a movie about deception, money, the stock market, finance, a high-tech movie, a movie that has a genre of suspense in it, or a movie that contains these locations, airplane, apartment, elevator, office, and so on, these phrases help to better explain the movie. Now let me demonstrate why we require these tags and how we will use them to earn money while watching movies. Now I want you to go to the second website on our list called Netflix, so I can show you why we need tags. You can simply search for jobs.netflix.com if you can't find the page. You can register here on Netflix as a movie tagger, and you can classify movies and TV shows for Netflix and get paid for them. To tag and categorize the thousands of available movies, Netflix hires people to work as movie taggers. As a movie tagger, your duty will be to watch movies and TV shows that are available on Netflix. The next step is to enter the search terms that people are most likely to use to find a particular movie. You can earn up to $300 per day as a movie tagger by watching movies and TV shows and then assigning the appropriate tags afterwards. This comprises both appealing subjective information to encourage viewers to watch the movie and objective facts like the cast. As of right now, Netflix's website is the sole place to look for tagger positions, so being cautious pays off if you want to work as a Netflix tagger. All you have to do is use the word tagger as a search term on this page, then look through the search results to find an opening. Now be sure to bookmark the Netflix jobs page and visit it at least once a week to see if a tag or position has become available. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now, considering that Netflix probably receives hundreds of applications for this position, I advise you to keep an eye on the Netflix job board to be notified when a position becomes available. Now let's move on to the third money-earning website that you can use to get paid to watch movies, which is called Nielsen.com. The industry benchmark for the audience and consumer measures is offered by Nielsen, a corporation that conducts global research. Nielsen may already be familiar to you from its television ratings. For more than 90 years, they have been a dependable name in media assessments. and they currently conduct consumer research in more than 100 nations. You can participate in the research team to better understand consumer behavior by using the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. You may influence the direction of the online world by simply enrolling in and installing the Nielsen program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. By watching your preferred TV shows, movies, or other content online, Nielsen offers you a simple method to earn money. Simply download the app, use your smartphone as usual, and you're done. The wonderful thing about Nielsen computer and mobile panel is that unlike some other services that frequently force you to watch advertisements or other sponsored content, you don't have to change your viewing habits. There are no prerequisites and setting everything up is simple. You get to choose what to watch, whether that's YouTube, Netflix, or the news. Simply establish a username and password that are unique to you, fill out a brief bio, and then install the app. Participating in the program entitles you to monthly sweepstakes in addition to the 50 annual rewards. The company offers a $10,000 prize pool that will be divided among 400 winners, with a $1,000 grand prize. Now, keep in mind that by participating in the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you are essentially paying the company to receive some of your private browsing information. Now, WinTub will therefore be the last website we use. When you watch videos on WinTub, you can make at least $2.48 every 3 minutes. There are 2 main ways to make money with it, as you can see on their website. The first is watching videos online, including commercials, movies, and TV shows. Recommending friends is the second strategy. It is a win-win situation because when your friend signs up, you receive $1 and your friend receives $5. Once you have the required minimum in your account, you can transfer the funds to your GCash, PayPal, or bank accounts. WinTub.com has worked with over 1,500 brands, including those shown above, to provide you with fresh videos to watch regularly. Now simply click this button to begin using this website. All that's left to do is type in your first and last name, birth date, gender, email address, and password. After that, make sure to tick the CAPTCHA and click Create Account. Let me now demonstrate how we can increase the amount of money in your account. Let's hit the play button on this video, which will direct us to another website with advertisements. Now simply close it and press the play button once more. Although we only have to watch the first 34 seconds of the video, it will begin to play. While the video is playing, keep an eye out for the countdown counter that tells how much time is left. We simply click Complete to be taken to another ad website after the 34 seconds are up. We simply close it again and press the Complete button again. Then a success notification informing us that we have been paid 61 cents will show up on your dashboard. All that's left to do is refresh the page to see the money appear in our account. The balance has now been changed, as you can see. All that is needed to be done is to carry out the same procedure for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. The only problem here is that you can only watch 5 films every 24 hours, and that is all you have to do. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.